No other animal is a threat to the killer whale. It has earned its rank as the top predator of the sea. Every feature, body shape, size, coloration, and speed, enhances their extraordinary hunting abilities. This animal is built to thrive. In the sea, color and pattern can make a life or death difference. Killer whales are solid black and white, with a gray saddle patch just behind the dorsal fin, a perfect example of disruptive coloration. In the flickering, shadowy sunlight of the sea, other animals may not recognize a killer whale as a potential predator. In the ocean, swiftness matters. Killer whales can reach speeds of nearly 30 miles an hour, making it one of the fastest swimming sea animals on the planet. Rounded, paddle-like pectoral flippers help steer, and the strong forked fluke or tail helps move forward or stop. From underneath the ocean, killer whales must surface to breathe. Through a single blowhole, warm breath meets cold air, causing a cloud of condensation. To open its blowhole, a killer whale contracts a muscular flap. When relaxed in a closed position, this flap provides a watertight seal. Flexibility can be life-saving. In frigid waters or warmer seas, a complex circulatory system of arteries surrounded by veins in the flippers and flukes help regulate body temperature. It all adds up to the ocean's top predator, built to survive and thrive.
How do you think a killer whale got its name?
There's no other prey that will eat it.
They kill sharks.
Because it kills its food.
Because it's a predator?
Fishermen were scared of them.
It eats fish.
Doesn't it eat seals or something?
No one messes with it. It's like the ultimate predator, so.
It's the biggest one of the family, so it's the main one, so it kills all the other animals.
Can't imagine, but they are so friendly.
Why does the killer whale have such an aggressive-sounding name? Ancient sailors actually called them whale killer after witnessing killer whales attacking larger cetaceans, an event that can occur even in modern times, as seen by this amazing attack on an enormous blue whale. Being opportunistic hunters, their diets vary from one region to another. Mostly, they eat fishes, squids, and marine mammals, like seals. Their attack strategies include cooperative hunting, stalking and ambushing, and pursuing prey. They swallow their food whole, or if it's too big to eat in one piece, they tear it into large chunks. With several strategic options, it's safe to say the killer whale's hunting is calculated, complex, and very successful.
One of my graduate students in the last 3 or 4 years discovered that a young male, when his mom had a baby, all of a sudden he's footloose and fancy-free, and he formed a social bond with other males here at SeaWorld San Diego. That was something that we didn't know these killer whales did.
Killer whales live in social units called pods, and within many of these group settings, there's a social hierarchy. Even though males are much larger than females, the pod is matriarchal, with females at the top of the hierarchy. When traveling, females and juveniles generally stay in the center of the pod, while adult males swim at the wings. Killer whales are very social and may connect with other whales through a range of communications.
We don't call it a language, but we do see dialects in killer whales, and in fact, they're very special that way. If you, for example, travel to the south, you may pick up a southern accent if you're there for too long. But if you move somewhere else in the world, you may develop a new accent based on who you're hanging out with. We call that dialects in killer whales.
In addition to vocalizations, killer whales have other behaviors that may serve a variety of purposes. A breach might scratch an itch. Spy hopping might give a look above the water surface, or be a way of communicating with others. Killer whales are among the most curious of cetaceans, with a tendency to play, to manipulate objects, or join in the fun wherever it's happening. Is it possible that the whale connection could reach beyond the pod?